When you hear the words Feng Shui, you might imagine someone rearranging their furniture in an elaborate, mystical dance to ensure good vibes. But Feng Shui is more than just a fancy way to organize your living room. It's an ancient Chinese practice steeped in history, philosophy, and a touch of superstition. In this video, we'll explore the origins of Feng Shui, how it works, and how you can use it to bring balance and positive energy to your own home. Plus, we'll throw in a few layout tips towards the end, and a dash of humor to keep things lively. Welcome back to Resources for Life, the small channel with big ambitions. Feng Shui translates to wind water in English, which, let's be honest, doesn't immediately scream interior design. However, these two natural elements symbolize the flow of life energy, or qi, which is the central concept of Feng Shui. The roots of Feng Shui stretch back over 3,000 years to ancient China, where it was originally used to determine the most auspicious locations for tombs. The ancient Chinese believed that the placement of the deceased could influence the fortunes of their descendants, so they took this whole resting in peace thing very seriously. As the practice evolved, Feng Shui expanded from cemetery plots to city planning, homes, and even palaces. Ancient Chinese emperors employed Feng Shui masters to ensure that their kingdoms were in harmony with the natural world, aligning buildings with the stars and the landscape to promote prosperity and peace. At the heart of Feng Shui are a few core principles that guide its practice. These concepts might seem a little mystical, but they all revolve around the idea of balancing and optimizing the flow of energy in a space. Here are the key principles. Qi. The life force energy, qi, is the invisible life force that flows through everything: people, animals, plants, and yes, your couch. In Feng Shui, the goal is to arrange your environment so that qi can move freely, bringing good health, wealth, and happiness. Blocked or stagnant qi is a big no-no, as it is believed that it can lead to everything from minor annoyances to major life disasters. Yin and Yang, the balance of opposites. Yin and Yang are the two complementary forces that make up all aspects of life. Yin is passive, dark and cool, while Yang is active, bright and warm. In Feng Shui, the aim is to balance these opposing energies within your space. Too much Yin, and your home might feel like a cave. Too much Yang, and it might feel like a nightclub. Neither is ideal unless you're a bat or a party animal. Please consider a like and subscribe to this new, small, growing channel. We aim to get better and better at bringing you good, interesting and informative content, and your support is very much appreciated. Back to the video. The 5 elements: fire, earth, metal, water and wood. Feng Shui also incorporates the 5 elements, each representing different qualities and energies. These elements can be introduced into a space through colors, materials and shapes. The trick is to balance these elements according to the specific needs of each room. Here's a quick breakdown. Fire, red triangular shapes, represents passion and energy. Best in moderation, unless you want your living room to feel like a furnace. Earth, yellow, square shapes, represents stability and nourishment. Great for a grounding space, but too much can feel heavy. Metal, white, circular shapes, represents clarity and precision. It's like the punctuation of your room. Necessary, but don't overdo it. Water, blue, wavy shapes, represents flow and relaxation. Ideal for areas where you need calm, but too much might make you feel like you're living in an aquarium. Wood, green rectangular shapes, represents growth and vitality, perfect for energizing spaces. The Bagua Map, your Feng Shui blueprint. The Bagua Map is a tool used in Feng Shui to analyze the energy of a space. It divides your home into 9 sections, each corresponding to a different aspect of life: wealth, fame, love, family, health, creativity, knowledge, career, and helpful people. By aligning the Bagua Map with your floor plan, you can identify which areas of your home need a little Feng Shui magic to boost specific aspects of your life. Imagine the Bagua Map as a tic-tac-toe grid superimposed over your home, with each square representing a different life area. Your front door typically aligns with the bottom row, covering areas like career and knowledge. The middle sections cover family and new beginnings, health and children and creativity. And the top sections cover wealth and abundance, fame and reputation, and relationships. Now that you're armed with the basics, let's take a room-by-room tour of your home to see how you can apply Feng Shui principles. Remember, the goal isn't to turn your house into a shrine. just to create a space that feels balanced and harmonious. And if you end up with a Feng Shui approved home that also impresses your friends, that's just a bonus. The entryway, your home's first impression. The entryway is considered the mouth of qi, where energy enters your home. A cluttered or unwelcoming entryway can block positive energy before it even has a chance to spread. Here are some tips. Keep it clear. Remove shoes, coats, and any other clutter that could trip up good energy or your guests. Add some light. A bright, well-lit entryway invites positive energy and makes your home feel warm and welcoming. Use a mirror wisely. A mirror near the entryway can reflect energy and bounce it around your home, but be careful not to place it directly opposite the door. This can send all that good chai right back out the door. The living room, the social hub. Your living room is where you entertain guests, relax, and spend quality time with family, so it's important to create a space that's both inviting and balanced. Furniture placement. Arrange seating in a way that encourages conversation and connection. Avoid placing the sofa with its back to the door. This creates a sense of vulnerability. Instead, position it so that you can see the door while seated. Balance the elements. Use a mix of the 5 elements to create a harmonious space. For example, a fireplace, fire, can be balanced with a water feature or a few plants, wood. Personal touches. Decorate with items that bring you joy, but avoid overloading the space with knickknacks. Feng Shui frowns upon clutter, as it can block the flow of qi. The kitchen, the heart of the home. In Feng Shui, the kitchen represents wealth and nourishment. A well-organized and clean kitchen is crucial for maintaining good energy and promoting health. Stove position. The stove is a symbol of wealth and should be placed in a position where the cook can see the door while cooking. If this isn't possible, a small mirror can be used to reflect the door, ensuring that no one sneaks up on you while you're chopping onions. Keep it clean. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Regularly declutter countertops and keep your fridge organized, because no one needs to discover that mystery container from last year. Add some warmth. Incorporate elements like wood and earth tones to create a warm, nurturing environment. A bowl of fresh fruit or a vase of flowers can also boost positive energy. The bedroom, your sanctuary. The bedroom is all about rest, relaxation, and, if you're lucky, romance. Feng Shui in the bedroom focuses on creating a serene and intimate atmosphere. Bed placement. The bed should be placed diagonally across from the door, but not directly in line with it. This is known as the command position and symbolizes control over your life. Plus, it's nice to see who's coming into the room. Symmetry and balance. Use matching nightstands and lamps on either side of the bed to create a sense of balance and equality in your relationships. Even if you're single, this setup promotes harmony and stability. Soothing colors. Opt for soft, calming colors like blues, greens, and neutrals to create a restful environment. Save the bold reds and fiery oranges for the living room or the gym, unless you're really into dramatic dreams. The bathroom, the water element's domain. Bathrooms are a bit tricky in Feng Shui because they're associated with the draining of energy, literally, as water flows out. However, with a few adjustments, you can minimize any negative impact. Keep the door closed. This helps contain the energy and prevents it from draining away. Also, it's just good manners. Add some earth. Incorporate earthy elements like stones, ceramics, and plants to counterbalance the strong water energy. This can help stabilize the space. Mirror magic. Use mirrors to expand the space and reflect light, but be mindful of their placement. Avoid placing mirrors directly facing the toilet. Nobody needs that kind of reflection. The home office, where productivity meets peace. With more people working from home, the home office has become an essential space. Feng Shui in the office focuses on creating an environment that supports productivity and focus. Desk placement. Your desk should be in the command position, where you can see the door while seated. This position promotes a sense of control and reduces stress. Declutter regularly. A cluttered desk can lead to a cluttered mind. Keep only what you need on your desk and store the rest in drawers or cabinets. Remember, a clear space equals a clear mind. Incorporate nature. Add a plant or two to your office to bring in some wood energy and boost creativity. Just make sure it's a low-maintenance plant. Dead plants are definitely bad Feng Shui. Final thoughts. Feng Shui as a way of life. Feng Shui isn't just about arranging your furniture or choosing the right colors. It's about creating a space that supports your well-being and aligns with your life goals. While some aspects of Feng Shui may seem superstitious or overly complicated, at its core, it's a practice that encourages mindfulness, balance, and harmony in your environment. Whether you're a Feng Shui newbie or a seasoned pro, remember that the goal is to create a space that feels good to you. If that means moving your couch 3 inches to the left to let the chai flow or simply adding a plant to your desk, go for it. And if all else fails, just remember that a little humor and a lot of positivity go a long way in creating good energy, both in your home and in your life. Thanks for watching.